Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is another video because I will be showing you all the things that I will take with me or the things on my carry-on bag. As what I have mentioned on my previous videos, I will be showing you the things that I will take with me on my carry-on bag. If you're interested to know the things that I will take with me on my carry-on bag, just keep on watching. As you noticed today, I have a new hairstyle. Yeah, I tried the new hairstyle. I hope it won't look that bad on the camera. I didn't wear a lot of makeup today. I just wore lipstick because I don't have time to do makeup. And I tried to organize a lot of things here at home and kind of busy. I tried to prepare everything before we leave for Europe. So yes, this is kind of busy week for me, and I'm not sure if I'm still gonna upload videos, but I'll try to. I actually have more videos that I need to edit, and I will try to find time to do that this week, guys. I hope you all understand that, you know, I'm just kind of busy every time we are about to go and travel somewhere. Alright guys, so let's move on to the carry-on bag that I will take with me during the flight. So this is the bag that I will be taking with me, and this is new because I used to take a different type of bag. It was like a messenger bag, but I think messenger bag is not as comfortable as this one. This is like a backpack, and I love it because it got 3 compartments, and it's also comfortable, and I love the design because it's quilted. So I got this at Didi's discounts for a cheaper price. It's only for 20 bucks, but the quality is really good and very sturdy. So what will go in this bag are, so these things that I will take with me during the travel on my carry-on bag are the things that I would use during the flight. So the first thing that I'm gonna be showing you guys is, this is the cleansing facial wipes. So I'm gonna take this with me, and I will take this not to remove my makeup because I am not gonna wear makeup during the flight or when I'm traveling. I don't want to wear makeup, and I think it's a big no to wear makeup, most especially if it's a long flight. It's really not advisable to wear makeup. It's just so disgusting, I guess. The purpose of these facial wipes is, of course, to remove the excess oil or dirt during the flight, because I have noticed the air in the aircraft is not as clean, and you need to actually clean up your skin, most especially your face during the flight, to remove the excess dirt. It is very important to take facial wipes with you so you can clean your face from time to time. The facial wipe, of course, you have to take some moisturizer with you, my travel kit where I can place my liquid. So this is also important because when traveling, when traveling, and if you're only taking like a carry-on luggage or carry-on bag with you, make sure to take liquids that is not over 100 ml. Sorry, it has to follow the TSA rules. The size of this containers are just perfect for traveling, and I'm definitely gonna put my moisturizer here, my face moisturizer, and also my toner here. So I'm also gonna take this with me on my carry-on luggage, but on my carry-on bag I'm gonna take a moisturizer and a toner. So that is important. After you clean up your face, you have to apply a moisturizer and a toner, because I know that the air from the aircraft dries up your skin really bad. So you have to moisturize yourself all the time when you are in the aircraft. And that makes me also take this moisturizer. This is a daily healing original lotion for dry skin. So I make sure to moisturize my skin during the flight, so I'm gonna take this with me. Also, most important is toothpaste and a toothbrush. So I got this travel toothpaste and toothbrush that I will be using during the flight. You know, you don't want to be that person who got stinky breath during the flight. So, and also mouthwash. So I'm gonna take this travel mouthwash with me. This is also important. And of course, this is an eye mask. I got this from my July BaxyCharm or August. Sorry, this is an eye mask from Wonder Beauty. Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. This is very important, I think, for me. I also have seen a lot of travel vloggers taking these eye masks with them, most especially if they travel far or if they take longer flights. This is very important because you don't want to have that baggy, puffy eye when you arrive to your final destination. So you have to make sure that you're still blooming, or you're still like you don't look haggard, you know, if you arrive to your final destination. So I will try to use this during the flight, and I got 3 here, so this would really help me a lot. And it's going to be my first time using the eye mask, and I can't wait to try this. The next thing that I will take with me during the flight is, of course, an Advil here. This is good for traveling, I think, travel size. So just in case you will have any headache, so this would be a great help during the flight. And also Tums. So this is also important. I got the big size here, but I think I will just take a couple of tablets to place it on like a tablet dispenser, or I can just put this in the Ziploc. So I'll just take a couple of this. This is also important. When you're on flight, you may never know, you will get like a stomach upset or something. And the next thing that I will be taking with me during the flight is, of course, gum. Yep, so you need something to pop your ear during the flight, so it's better to chew a gum, and it's going to be a big help. Of course, the next thing are books. So these are my travel guide books, and this is for the one in Seville and Nice in France. So this is going to be a great help for me, or for me and my husband when we travel. And it would also be great if we're gonna read this during the flight, so we will know what exactly to do, where to go, where to eat when we are on the place. So this is very interesting. So yes, this is definitely going to my carry-on bag. And of course, I will have my cell phone on my carry-on bag, and my and my earphones. So this is really important, you guys. If you're traveling, you have to take your earphones. And of course, my travel camera. So I will take my travel camera because I will definitely vlog. I will definitely vlog during the flight, so I can share our experiences and, you know, the places that we're gonna go during the travel. I'm also gonna take my tablet with me during the flight. This is also important because I will be listening to music, watching movies on Netflix. I'm gonna download movies from Netflix, although I know you guys, they have movies available during the flight, on the plane. During the flight, they have movies available on your screen, but I think I will also have to watch my favorite series on Netflix. So definitely I'm gonna use this. I will also take, of course, the most important is your wallet. Okay? I'm gonna take my wallet with me and my passport. So this is a passport holder, and I will just have to hang this on my neck because this is the most convenient way for me to carry my passport and also my boarding pass or my airline ticket. I'm just gonna place it on here. Also comes with a pen. So there's a pen right here. So this is really important, guys, if you're gonna fill out some immigration forms or custom forms during the flight. So you need to have a pen. So I have the pen in this passport holder. I can also put some cash on here, my tickets, boarding pass, and my passport, of course, is right here. So make sure that your passport is secured. The last but not the least, I will also take this travel pillow with me. This is so comfortable and soft. So that's pretty much it, you guys. If there's something you could suggest, you can also let me know what are the things that you take with you on your carry-on bag by leaving a comment down below. I would really appreciate it, guys. And I would like to thank you all so much for watching this video. If you end up liking this video, give me some thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe on my channel. I will see you next time, guys. Bye!